Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing my Simple Pocket EDC. If that sounds interesting to you, please stay tuned. EDC stands for Everyday Carry. This pouch is full of practical, just-in-case items that help me stay prepared when I'm out and about. In addition to my Pocket EDC, I always bring a hand sanitizer, my cell phone, sunglasses, my car keys and house keys if I'm driving, my wallet, portable charger, and a chapstick. I don't access this pouch all the time, but when I need something, everything is right here, easy to grab. This is obviously a really small pouch, so everything I have in my larger EDCs will not fit in here, so just keep that in mind. This size is perfect for days you want something minimal. You can bring it for daily errands, carrying it inside a handbag, or honestly, if you just like tiny things like I do. And this is a great size to just chuck into your pocket.
Inside my pocket.
Here's what the pouch looks like. Nice gold hardware, zipper pull. You could attach a carabiner here if you wanted to attach other things. And that's it. It's really simple. So here's what it looks like in the Lululemon bag. Super small. It fits with plenty of room to spare. Let me show you in the Longchamp pouch. That's what it looks like. And let's say you're going out for the evening. This is the Louis Vuitton Pochette Accessoire, and that's what it looks like. So definitely a great size to use in your smaller handbags. Okay, again, here's the hardware. And let me show you what I have inside. This is what it looks like. First item I have is this chapstick. This is the Burt's Bees chapstick. And then I have a doggy poop bag. And then holding it together is a hair tie. I have long hair, so I always need a hair tie. And then poop bag is good if you have a dog, if you can't find a trash can, or if you're feeling nauseous. Let's put this back on. And next item, I have this mini shaver. Let me see. That's what it looks like. And this is good if you have any stray hair, if you have a mustache you need to trim. Okay, and next I have this compressed towelette disc. You just add water and you can wipe your face with this, wipe your hands. So this is really good to have. Okay, next I have a triple antibiotic cream. Never know when you're going to need that. I have some eye drops. This is the Systane eye drops. And then I have some money in here. I think there's $20 in here. So there's a 10. Oh no, $11. So a 10 and 1. I like to have cash on me. You never know when you're going to need it. And let's see, I have this little sewing kit. It has a brown color and a black thread. And then I have some Rite in the Rain paper. And to go with the Rite in the Rain paper, I have this pen. This is a tactical pen, and you can break a window with this. And let's see what's next. I have some medication here, and holding it together is a bobby pin. And you can use this bobby pin to put your hair back or pick a lock. And then I have some Benadryl, and I just labeled the little baggies, and then some ibuprofen. There's that. And this is what it's looking like so far. I have this pink lemonade electrolytes packet. This is from Ultima. This is my favorite electrolytes drink. And then I have a single Purell hand sanitizer. You never know when that will come in handy. Floss, a Bandaid, And then I have this can opener, Imodium, a mint, and I have 2 more items in here. My favorite nail cutter, this is the Mr. Green nail cutter. You just lift this part up, and this is really sharp, and it comes with a nail file as well. And the last item I have is this little cutie. This is Yosemite Park. This is a toothpick, scissors, and this does cut. Let me show you. So it's really sharp. And let's see, there's a knife, a screwdriver, and a nail file. And then there's also some tweezers. So all of that is in here. There you go. I still have my Swiss card, and I love my Swiss card, but this is a lot more compact than that is. Let me put this there. So this is really great for this pouch. And I love how the pouch opens up wide. And all of these items are really practical and handy for an urban EDC. A lot of these are my most used EDC items. You never know when you're going to need something. So I like to stay prepared, and I always encourage people in my life to stay prepared as well. I've made kits for my family members. My mom is probably the #1 fan of these EDC kits. She's actually the OG in my family for creating EDCs because she always has everything you need. And again, this kit is great if you have a smaller bag. I do prefer my larger EDCs because it has more stuff in it, but I did pack this with my most practical, most used items. So I can have this with me when I have a smaller bag or if I just want to put this in my pocket. So there you go, you guys. Let me know what items you would put in your tiny pocket EDC. And also let me know if you want to see an airplane travel version of this kit. I hope that was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!